Artificial
intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
experiment in artificial intelligence.
AI is everywhere, and it's not just a technological fad. It's a powerful tool just waiting to be harnessed. With just a TV and a laptop, I achieved results that will make you redefine and reevaluate how you look at your product photography. To pull this off, we're gonna need a few things. We're gonna need a laptop, a TV, an HDMI cable, a generative AI program, a tripod, a camera, a lens, a couple flashes, your product, of course, a friendly disposition, and optional, a polarizing filter to cut out any reflections. Full disclaimer, this is just gonna be a very high-level walkthrough of this particular setup. If you want more information on MidJourney or my lighting setup, let me know, because those are completely separate videos all on their own. Step one, we need to start engineering our prompts. Before I even touch the camera and the lighting setup and everything, I start envisioning what I want the end product to be. For this particular demonstration, I'm going to shoot my Hasselblad 500 CM, and because there are 12 of these cameras still on the surface of the moon, NASA astronauts left 12 camera bodies on the surface of the moon. Thought it would be fitting to shoot it in outer space. So I'm gonna hop into MidJourney and we're gonna start writing some prompts. Once you get set up and you're inside MidJourney, what you're gonna wanna do is go into your, basically it looks like a chat window, but you go down here and you start prompting. I think that's right, I don't even know what it's called. To do this, you go /imagine, that's gonna be your command. Then you just type out whatever you want your prompt to be. In this case, once again, we're thinking outer space, so I'm gonna go with a view of Earth with its blue glow from the window of a space station. One thing to note here, at the end of this, I'm gonna put a few parameters. The first parameter is --AR, which stands for aspect ratio, and I want it to be 16:9 because we're gonna be putting these on a TV. And then the other thing I wanna put is --repeat, and I'm gonna do it 5 times. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna write that prompt 5 separate times so we don't have to write it out each time. And if I hit enter, it's gonna say, do you really wanna do this 5 times? Hit yes, and then it's gonna start to spit out and generate 4 images at a time. So because we're doing this 5 times, we're gonna get 20 images, and we're gonna take a look at these and see what we like. So let's look through some of these first ones we generated. Some of these are actually really cool. When you click on them, it'll bring all 4 of them up. Okay, wow.
Wow.
1 and 2 are pretty, those are all actually. So I'm gonna, if you hit the U1, U2, U3, this is gonna upscale 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna upscale some of these. So while MidJourney is working in the background, I'm gonna come back over here to my makeshift studio and get into step 2. And step 2 is staging and lighting our product. It's gonna be very simple. I'm just gonna stage it on this Lazy Susan in front of the TV, which isn't plugged in currently. And then we're just gonna do a 2-light setup, and we're gonna go from there. I might even throw in a few tube lights just to give some blue rim light to add to the effect that we're in outer space and there's Earth in the background. You'll see in a second. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's kind of hard to see, but right here, camera, got the camera set up here. We got our product set up right here. TV obviously right now not on. We have a flash there, a flash right here, and then we have a blue tube light and a slightly greenish tube light set up to help light this. I'm gonna go ahead and take a few shots of this the way it is without any TV, and then I'm gonna show you what that looks like, and then we're gonna get the laptop hooked up to the TV and show you where the magic is made. I'm bringing the laptop over now, we're gonna plug it in. I'm just gonna put it on the floor because I don't know where else to do this. Put you on the floor too for now. Hi. All right, HDMI. It's plugged into the TV already, and with these Mac laptops, it's gonna plug into the end here and plug it in. Might have to turn this TV on too, so let's see. You gotta turn the TV on. All right, this is our current setup. We got the laptop plugged in via HDMI, going to the TV. We got a product right here, 1 tube light, 2nd tube light, flash 1, flash 2, and obviously, once again, TV in the background. Okay, it's dark in here now because we're gonna shoot. One thing I did notice, there's a few things that we gotta do once we get on the computer here. So because I'm viewing this image in a browser, I'm gonna go up here to full screen. Wow, that is loud. And then once you're in full screen, my computer allows me to pinch with my fingers to zoom. So we're just gonna kind of zoom this in and move it around. You can see this, I can pretty much manipulate the background as I see fit. This is a test shot. Okay, the reason why I love this setup for client work is because I can very quickly change the feeling of a scene, and on top of that, everything is captured in camera. If you want to learn the 3 things I did to become a better photographer, click the video here, and if not, then click this other thing over here because quite honestly, it's free and, well, I don't want you to be out of my life just yet.